The way they're engineered, they have these terrific hinges that allow them to be configured in any way that you want, so you can be really creative. They're stackable, you can make them very high. The boards themselves are engineered to fit together so that that soil problem and that bowing problem won't happen. You can see we've stacked a couple here to create our herb bed. This is going to be a wonderful herb bed with different herbs on all the different levels.
The hinges have the spikes interlock with the spikes, and the hinges are attached to the boards, and the boards interlock with each other, and so you have one functioning system here, and you get incredible durability out of that, and that's important if you're dealing with children, or even just your regular everyday abuse when you're pulling plants out, or you get a heavy rainfall and you put hundreds more pressure on the inside of this bed expanding out. It's important that your weakest link is not your joints. And so the fact that it functions as one unit all the way up from the bottom and then across the hinges is very important to us. And that's really one of the sellers for us, is the fact that you not only have, almost a 360-degree turn there, you also have a functioning system where it's all interlocking. And then when you're done, you simply just gonna take these little caps and they just snap on like that, and that prevents the water and stuff from getting in there. And it also just kind of gives it a cleaned off look. And that's all there is to it.